Sendwave App Review 2025 Pros and Cons. Honest and unbiased. You won't believe how money transfer apps have simplified sending funds. Sendwave in 2025 allows quick international transfers, but is it reliable? Sendwave offers low-cost transfer to countries in Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean, often with same-day delivery. The surprising truth is speed and cost. Most people get this wrong by thinking international transfers are slow and expensive. Sendwave provides near-instant transactions at minimal fees. Another advantage is accessibility. You won't believe what happens next when users can send funds with just a mobile number and bank account. No complicated paperwork required. However, cons exist. Sendwave operates in select countries, so coverage is limited. Currency conversion rates may also fluctuate, affecting the amount received. Customer support can sometimes be slow during peak periods. In conclusion, Sendwave app is perfect for individuals needing fast, affordable international transfers in 2025. If you value convenience and speed, it's a strong choice. Users needing global coverage or full banking features may need complementary services.